Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Rick with UCI. In my first video on the SUNDOG RFID system, I demonstrated the steps for loading SUNDOG tags and attaching the tags to assets with rough wood surfaces using both our pneumatic and manual tools. In my second SUNDOG systems video, we covered scanning the tags at various distances and recording the key characteristics into the RFID reader. The characteristics we entered are associated with each tag's unique ID number. So in this video, I'll show you how to import that information from the scanner into an inventory database. This could be something as simple as Excel or as sophisticated as a real-time company-wide database hosted online. Now be sure to like and subscribe to keep up with new videos we create for you. Let's get started. I've shown the data sync from the point of view of the handheld scanner. Now let's view it on the PC. So we're looking at Tracer Plus Connect, and I want to show you a couple different things. First, on the left-hand side here, we have our source, and this is where our information is coming from. So on our handheld scanner, we're running Tracer Plus Mobile, and that's why we have Tracer Plus selected here. Now we want to instruct it the destination where we want to write this data to. And you can select many different types of files here. And as I said, for demonstration purposes, we're going to keep it simple, and we're going to write it to Excel. And I want to show you the Excel file that I've created here. Basically, it matches up exactly with what we have in our handheld scanner with the fields that we created there. I've got it saved as a demo. So I will now close this. And then I want to find that file right here so that Tracer Plus knows to write to that specific file. And then one last thing is I want to instruct it on what row to start writing data to. So it doesn't write over the headers, that would be row 2. So we'll save that. So now at this point, this is where we would normally sync our data. I will hit the sync data. And now that data's been synced up, I'll open up that spreadsheet. So we've got demo, and there's our data that we originally had put in on our handheld scanner. These steps that I've walked through were meant to show a lot of the mechanics of the process, but you can customize your solution to meet your specific needs and make this as simple or as enterprise level as you need it to be. When you have readers placed at strategic locations, information can be updated instantly as your assets move through the system, providing you with a real-time picture of your inventory, including in-progress inventory. Understanding the flow of your inventory, process bottlenecks, and location of all inventory at an instant in time is crucial information for planning logistics, purchasing, shipping, and ensuring efficient use of your company's personnel assets as well as financial assets. For those who have assets with rough wood surfaces where adhesive tags will not stick and other tags cannot withstand the harsh conditions used to process timber, the SUNDOG system is the first and best system designed for your needs with quick, secure installation onto rough wood surfaces, long read distances, and ruggedness to withstand your demanding processes. The SUNDOG RFID tagging system truly is the best tool for real-time inventory management of logs, lumber loads, utility poles, pallets, and other assets with rough wood surfaces. In this video, I've demonstrated the data transfer step between the reader and the computer for the SUNDOG RFID tagging system. I've described how this RFID system is an essential part of efficient inventory management specifically for timber, lumber, and wooden assets. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If it has, please let me know in the comments. If you have additional questions, please type that in the comments as well. I'll be sure to address them. As always, you're welcome to reach out to us by phone or email. We'd love to speak with you. Thank you for your time, and be sure to like and subscribe.